Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to compete Canva versus Figma. Now, Canva's target audiences for non-designers, marketers, educators, and even small business owners. You're going to use this to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other marketing materials. It focuses on your ease to create basically drag and drop interface that's easy to use even for a child. Now, when it comes to Figma, however, Figma is basically and specifically created for UX and UI designers, product designers, and design teams. So you're going to use this as a designing user that's really familiar with the prototypes and collaborative designing projects. It offers you powerful designs and prototyping tools with a strong emphasis on real-time collaboration. So you can work with it alongside with your team members as well. You can see how collaborative this whole interface looks like. You can see multiple different people, the designers, developers, and copywriters working in all together. Now, Figma also offers design tools that are like for advanced vector editing tools, prototyping, and developer handoff features. You have superior real-time collaboration, as you can see right here, and they have amazing components and styles, making it really amazing, ideal to be usable for consistency in complex projects. Now, once we talk about Canva, however, Canva really focuses onto the other market and right, it has extensive library of templates, stock photos, icons, and illustrations. It's basically for usage of someone who is, at a basic level or intermediate level with editing tools. And there's very less collaboration as opposed to Figma and Figma's capabilities. Then let's talk about integration and workflow. There are so many different third-party integrations that you can add on Canva. As you can see, you can also collaboratively share the link where or the people that you allowed the link can be access to you can download it, share it on social media, and go ahead on more and do a lot more. Share it on your LinkedIn page, and share it on your Google Drive, your messaging design stuff, and more options. When it comes to Figma, however, you can integrate it with other design tools and plug against and has the design workflow for professional designers. This is excellent version of control, and his tracking that is beneficial for every single designing process right here. Now, Figma offers you a free plan so you can get started for free by clicking off here, and they also offer you another professional plan which is like $45 per month for teams members with larger teams and $12 per month for just a simple usage. Now, when it comes to Canva, Canva also offers its free plan as well as its premium plan. The difference between the free and premium plan is that in the premium plan, you have access to everything, honestly, and you have access to all of its AI studio as well. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.